I'm testing 9000 BTU 48 volt DC heat pump, testing it in cooling mode. The default settings when it arrived, all I did was press the power on off button to make it begin. It's a lot quieter than the 56 decibels in the specs. It's on low fan, so who knows. But so far, very happy about the noise level. As soon as I turned it on, even before I put any blankets on, I immediately felt cool air coming out of it. I think it has some kind of soft start built in because it only came up as 3 amps when it first spooled up, and it was very quiet spooling up. And then it hovered around 5 amps for a little while, and then I could hear it ramp up a bit, and here we are at about 8.5 amps. This clamp is not super accurate, but it's going to be within an amp or so. It doesn't really zero out very well. It's better on the higher amps like we're at now, but like less than an amp, it's really wildly inaccurate. But it's close. And my temperature, wake that up. So we got about 57 degrees Fahrenheit air coming out. It's set for 25 Celsius. I don't know if you can change Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm assuming you can, but I haven't really read all that yet. I'm a little sick today, so forgive my voice and lack of energy. Here's just how I'm testing it. I just have one of my van back doors open. I just clip the blanket up to give some kind of air barrier. I got the nameplate on the side says to use a 60 amp breaker. I'm not sure why it says that. It should be more like a 30 amp or less based on this wire size. It's not really labeled. It's something written in Chinese. I can't read it. And it's double sheath, so it's actually thinner than it looks. So I'm guessing it probably needs more like a 20 amp breaker. But it's back to 60. I had a 50 offhand, so that's what I used. Double pole, just as a switch cutoff. Just ran some 4-gauge battery cable spool, uncut. I didn't want to cut it up just for a test run, so I just got these long wires running in to my terminal here. This is my kit. It's a bit of a rat's nest right now. I won't bother explaining all that. It's a whole bunch of temporary stuff hooked up for the 12 volt, among other things, but it's running, it's working, everything's safe, believe it or not. Well, except for this guy, I gotta strap him down somehow. Yeah, it's already feeling good. I threw this blanket up front just to kind of block the window heat, so hopefully it's not fighting against that. I'm already getting more comfortable out here, but it's a very hot day out, so, and I can feel that air blowing right on me, cooling down my sweat too. So, all right, initial test run success. Unboxing and power it up, power on and run successful.